Hi guys, so for today's video is magpapakin na naman. So, guys, this is for my YouTube channel ko, diba guys? Kasi gusto ko talagang rumami ang subscribers namin. Pero gusto ko kasi nagka-play button. Yan, and money na lang guys. So, yan, magbibili tayo. Na lang guys. Na lang. Sino to? Sino to? Okay. Hervashu. Shout out sa Hervashu. Sushi, Lomo cards, and ano to? Markers. Okay. So, one squishy. So, dito natin siya lagay for Hervashu. One squishy. And like that. Next. Lomo cards, 5 pieces. So, I'm going to give him some Lomo cards. So, I want to give him this, 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 this. So, that's it, guys. Okay, so she got Rora from Baby Monster. I don't know his name, but she is from Star Kids. Binishina, Star Kids group, and Bini Gwen. So that she got. He got. Put it. And the last 10 markers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got him a random. So this is he got. So Dan got the previous. So this black pink bracelet. This. And the last one is that panda. So this is he got all. Thank you for ordering.